These are royal velvet. They were not covered last winter, and they've got some green tissue up here that are starting to come on. But last summer we had flower stems that came up, and we cut them off, and they came up, and we cut them off, and they came up. So you can still see the odd one here. So we do not prune these things, and these are 10 years old. We do not prune these things in the fall because we don't want a fresh growth coming on as winter comes on, because that'll freeze off. So here it is, the last of April, and we can see green tissue here, and we can prune these things. We don't want to prune them right down to the brown dead stuff down here, but we do want to round off the top here. So I'm going to use this clipper and show you how we do that.
So explain again how far down you know how to cut, how much you know to cut off.
We would normally cut, and you can see the brown stuff down in here, and it's a little bit early for the shoots, although you can see shoots here coming on. See green shoots down here? So you don't want to cut down that hard. There's no need to cut down that hard. But we're not cutting much off this spring. Normally we would take off about a third from the green stuff up to the top. We would take about a third of it off, third to a half, and that'll give you many more shoots, and thus many more flowers. So there's no need to cut them way back down, but if you don't cut them back down, they'll get leggy and long, and any snow cover this next winter will just make them open up and flatten. It's to keep a nice mounded shape.
So here's a plant that hasn't been pruned yet next to a plant that we just pruned.